Today I'm going to be walking you through step-by-step how to change your ringtone on your iPhone. Let's jump in. So to do this, we're just going to open up our settings app. So I'm just going to click on the search bar down here, start typing in settings. You can see it pops up at the top, a little gear, and tap on that. Okay. Now we're going to scroll down until we see sounds and haptics. That's what we want. So we're going to click on that. And here there's a lot of different customizations that you can do. Up at the top, you have the ring volume. You can have the haptics, which is the vibration that happens with the phone. And then down below that, you have all your notifications, the text tone, the new voicemail, new email, all of that. But what we want is right up there where it says ringtone, and we're going to click on that. Now, in my case, I have two phone numbers that ring on this phone, so that's why they're both listed there. But in your case, if you only have one, you'll just list one. And then right now it's telling me I have the old phone ringtone because I don't know. I just have the old phone. So then when you click on that, you can now scroll through all the different options of ringtones that are on there. And each time you click on that, it'll play a little sample of what it'll be like. So once you select the one that you want, you can just back out a ringtone. And now you can see I have that now linked as the ringtone on my phone. You can go in there and change that as much as you want, whatever you need to have that be. And with that, you've changed the ringtone on your iPhone. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.